Welcome. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to remove a chat from your favorites on the WhatsApp app for PC after the new update. Many users enjoy keeping their most important conversations marked as favorites for quick access, but sometimes you no longer need a chat in that section. Whether it's for keeping things organized or just clearing some space, the process is quick and simple. Let's walk through it together. First, start by opening the WhatsApp application on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and connected so all your recent conversations are visible. Next, look through the chat list and find the specific conversation you want to remove from your favorites. This could be an individual chat with a person or even a group. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right one. Once you've found the chat, move your cursor over it and right-click. A small menu will instantly pop up with several options you can choose from. From that menu, look for the option that says Remove from Favorite. Simply click on it, and the chat will no longer appear in your Favorites section. This action won't delete the conversation itself or remove it from your main chat list. It just removes the quick access shortcut from Favorites, leaving your messages and history completely safe. That's all it takes. Just a few clicks and your Favorites list will be updated instantly. This feature can help you keep things neat, so only the chats you actively need show up in that section. If at any point you change your mind, you can always add that chat back to your favorites the same way, only selecting Add to Favorite instead. Managing your favorites in WhatsApp is a simple but powerful way to keep your messaging organized. By clearing out chats you no longer need in that spot, you'll have an easier time reaching the conversations that truly matter. And there you have it. The straightforward way to remove a chat from your favorites on WhatsApp for PC using the new update.